Hey hustlers, welcome back to the Monthly Hustle, your go-to channel for all things money-making and side hustles. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to boost your income. Today, we're diving deep into Clickbank and how you can unlock its wealth potential in 2024. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Clickbank? Clickbank is a global e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace that connects digital content creators with affiliate marketers. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products you believe in. For instance, if you're passionate about fitness, you can promote ebooks or online courses related to health and wellness. Every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Setting up your Clickbank account is straightforward. Head over to clickbank.com, click on Sign Up, and fill in your details. Make sure to choose a strong password and verify your email address. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to the Clickbank marketplace where you can browse thousands of products to promote. Choosing the right products is crucial for your success. Look for products with high gravity scores, which indicate that they are popular and converting well. Also consider the commission rate and the product's relevance to your audience. For example, if your audience is interested in personal development, you might choose to promote a popular self-help course with a high-gravity score and a 50% commission rate. Now that you've chosen your products, it's time to create promotional content. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. The key is to provide value and build trust with your audience. For instance, you could create a YouTube video reviewing the product, highlighting its benefits and sharing your personal experience with it. Make sure to include your affiliate link in the description. Finally, it's essential to track your results and optimize your strategy. Use Clickbank's analytics tools to monitor your sales, clicks and conversions, identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments accordingly. If you notice that a particular type of content is driving more sales, focus on creating more of that content. Conversely, if something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot and try a different approach. And there you have it, hustlers, a comprehensive guide to unlocking Clickbank wealth in 2024. Remember, consistency and persistence are key. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep hustling. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Monthly Hustle, and share it with your friends.